जेन्ना आमी जन्माक येता तेन्ना आमी सेलिब्रेट करता. तर जेन्ना आमची लास्ट स्टेज येता पळय न्ही, तातूंत पेशंटाक एक सन्मानपूर्वक एक्झीट मेळचें लायफाचें, ही एक प्रत्येकाची एक तांचे रिलेटिव्ह आसाची किंवा ताजी इच्छा आसता. तर तें प्रोविजन हांगा केलें वता.
Hello friends, let us take you to the tour of Dilasa, a palliative care project, a unique project of Indian Medical Association and IME Ponda Charitable Trust, started by the trustees, which is along the National Highway, Ponda-Panji Highway, and it is in the vicinity of Gopal Ganapati Temple and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue at Farmagudi, Ponda, Goa.
Dilasa Palliative Care Center, Visawa Medi Assisted Living Center. And my friends, here is the reception.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
Yeah. Friends, आमी जेन्ना हांगा विसावा म्हणटात किंवा दिलासा म्हणटात तशें फर्मागुडी हांगा आसा पळय, थंय आमी भटकंतीक आयले, विजिटाक आयले. आमच्या बरोबर आसात आतां डॉक्टर संतोष उजगांवकर, जे आसा चेअरपर्सन ह्या एसोसिएशन ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे. तर तांचे कडल्यान आमी हेजी हिस्ट्री थोडीशी जाणून घेवया. तर मातशें आमकां हिस्ट्री सांगात.
Santosh Uzgaonkar, chairperson of IME Ponda Charitable Trust for last 16 years. We could build Dilasa, a palliative care center, and in Visawa, a Medi-assisted living center for elderly citizens. At the concept of palliative care, आमच्या तकलेंत कसो आयलो? In 1980, the palliative care was introduced in India. And in 2005, we started IME Ponda Charitable Trust with the intention to promote charitable activities in the state of Goa and more so in Ponda. First thing came to my mind and trustees' mind is palliative care. Because we were aware of the society was suffering because of lack of palliative care, we ventured into this idea. Palliative care, there is a roughly is to improve the quality of life of a person who is suffering from a life-threatening disease. आम्ही जे आतून दिलासा जे ॲडमिट करतात, कॅन्सरू करतात, किडनीच्या करतात, स्ट्रोकू करतात, कार्डियाकू करतात, बट ओनली कंडिशन जे आसा they should be in a terminal stage. Terminal म्हणजे जेन्ना खंयचे दुयेंस आसता ताका एक ट्रिटमेंट आसता. तो ट्रिटमेंट करून जालो आनी मागीर तो ट्रिटमेंट ताका बरो करना, ताका सांगता की अरे आनी ट्रिटमेंट ना रे बाबा फुडें, तूं घरा व्हर. घरा व्हेल्यान सोल्युशन येना. तेन्ना वी कम टू देर हेल्प. आमच्या घरांत दवरले जायत जाल्यार वी टेक तांचे टील ही डायज. And what we say, we give them treatment and a dignified way of exit.
तर अश्यो ह्यो सोयी म्हणजे म्हाका जाय दिसता पेशंटांक ही संस्था म्हणजे एक देवदूता भशेनच तांकां पावल्या. जेन्ना आमी जन्माक येता तेन्ना आमी सेलिब्रेट करता. तर जेन्ना आमची लास्ट स्टेज येता पळय न्ही, तातूंत पेशंटाक एक सन्मानपूर्वक एक्झीट मेळचें लायफाचें, ही एक प्रत्येकाची एक तांचे रिलेटिव्ह आसाची किंवा ताजी इच्छा आसता. तर तें प्रोविजन हांगा केलें वता. तर तांकां खूबच शुभेच्छा दिवया आनी हें काम फुडें व्हरपाक तांकां खूबच उर्बा मेळची अशी देवा कडेन प्रार्थना करूया. Namaskar. Since 6:30 in the morning till 9 o'clock in the evening, relatives of the patients can visit here and get know-how about their relatives and all. बरें आसा न्ही? न्हीद तूं, तशें कांय ना, आराम कर. तांची एज कितें आसतली अंदाज? 36. अशें कांय ना की एकदम ओल्ड एज पेशंटूच अशें येतात हांगा दिलासान अशें कांय ना.
ना तशी काय ना.
हांगा आमच्या मुखार आसा अशीच एक इनमेट जो तुमी आतां घरा कडेन आसता आनी आतां हांगा आसता हाचे भितर तुमकां फरक थोडो सांगता.
आनंद कितें जाता वेवस्थीत सकाळ सांजवेळ दनपार सगळीं वखदां मेळटात जेवपाक सकाळी नाश्ता.
बरोबर. आनी तुमचे सारकीच आनीक लोक आशिल्ल्या कारणान तांचे बरोबर उलोवपाक बी तुमकां मेळटा.
हय.
I'm Dr. Purnima Usgaonkar, Managing Trustee of IMA Ponda Charitable Trust and the Coordinator for the two centers, Dilasa and Visawa projects of IMA Ponda Charitable Trust. Also the President of Visawa Center. To tell you about Dilasa working, which is very important as far as the proper provision of the services. जे गोष्टी पेशंटाक कम्फर्टेबल जावपाक लागता, मेंटल स्टेटस तांचो सगळ्यांत वल्नरेबल, फक्त तांचो न्ही तांच्या फॅमिलीचो, आनी ह्या खातीर आमकां सायकोलॉजिस्टाची गरज. MSW म्हणटा ते तांच्या लायफान तांकां कोणाक कितें पेंटींग शिकोवप आनी कितें करप करून तांचो वेळ बरो घालप, तांकां टीव्ही दाखोवप, तांकां काणयो सांगप, तांकां गोश्टी सांगप, अशें करून तांचो वेळ इतलो बिजी की तांकां वायट विचार येवपाक दिवप ना. हातूंतल्यान भायर हाडून ते ओपन एअरान तांकां बसप खुर्च्यांनी बिच्यांनी भायले हें दाखोवपाक, अशे पद्दतीन ही टीम सगळी मेळून करप. बेडां सुद्दां भायर हाडून आमी दाखयतात. सो दॅट द आउटसायड वर्ल्ड इज नॉट कट ऑफ फ्रॉम देम. तांकां फक्त वॉर्डांनीच अशें पॅक करून दवरलेली नासतात आनी ही आमची सर्विसीक कंप्लीटनेस दिता, जेतून मनांतल्यान तांकां एक थोड्या वेळाक तरी आनंद मेळटा. आनी सक्सेस स्टोरी मेनली सांगपाक म्हणल्यार आमचे ओन मेंबर्स जे व्हॉलंटरी सर्विसीस दितात, रातचे ऑन कॉल नायट कॉल्साचेर आसतात, डे टायम आमचो पॅलिएटिव्ह दोतोर आसा पंकज राजमानी म्हणून, तशेंच आमचे वंदना पाटणकर जे मेडिकल ऑफिसर सुरवाती पासून आसा, तेय बी आमचो एक पिलर कसो फाटल्यान सदांच उठून आशिल्लो डॉक्टर पंकज यवून सर. अशे पद्दतीन आमी हें सामकें स्ट्रॉंग बिल्डअप केला आनी तातूंतल्यान सक्सेस स्टोरी अशी की 25 बेडां आमी जी स्टार्ट केली ती आज आमकां पावनाशिल्ल्यान आनी तातूंतल्यान मेन म्हणल्यार 25ची 30 केली आनी अजून 30 भरतात तेन्ना आखांत येता की आतां आमी कशी मॅनेज करतली काय म्हणून. सो तेन्ना मॅक्झिमम वी आर ट्रायींग फॉर 40 इल्ले करून आनी हातूंतल्यान जितले लोकांक सर्वीस पावोवपाक मेळटा तितले आमी पावोवपाक सोदतात आनी हेच आमचो मेन आतां एम जाल्लो आसा.
So this kind of patients need a special care which is given by this Dilasa. Friends, now we are on the first floor of this Dilasa Care Center and this is the other ward which we may see here, and so some wards here are twin sharing basis so that two patients can be admitted, just like this ward. You can see the patients here. Yo?
सार्वजनिक ठेवा म्हणा कोणी लोकांनी
या बरी आसा न्ही? हय, हॅपी रावात. जेवली गे? खाना खाया? खाना खाया? आयकुपाक येना? आयकुपाक कमी येता दिसता. कशी आहेस? So असा असं. So friends, this has the capacity of around 25, but now for the requirement they have increased the beds to 30. Yeah, and you can see all are full, almost all are full. Some patients here, you can see here some inmates. So this kind of patients need mental assistance, help, as well as the physical assistance or help, I may say. So for the relatives of the patients, they can take a rest here, and even they can have food here. So this is another twin sharing room here, where the patients are taking rest, are taken care of. आयकुपाक येता? कशी आसा? बरी आसा. माय कशी आसा? Very good, nice. So this is another ward here, and you can see the patients are taken care of here, and the visitors, the relatives are also visiting them periodically. Earlier they used to have library and other recreational facilities like thing, but since the need came for the extra beds and all, they converted these rooms. Even they converted the doctor's room into wards, which I'll show you now. Nice clean ambience, there is no smell of anything. It's a nice ambience here. Yeah, very clean. All the credit goes to the caretakers here. Even there was a need to convert such kind of guest rooms and all into wards. The incumbency of the patients risen, and so this need has come up. You can see the patient here being given the ailments, and here too. This is a very important room, my friends, lecture hall. The lectures are being delivered to the nurses, staff. What does the palliative means? Why does it require? And how to deal with the patients? And anything, any development in this field, palliative care field, is being given here in this room. Yeah, to the staff, and they are upgraded.
I am Dr. Vandana Patakar. I am Secretary of IMA Punda Charitable Trust. 15th August 2019, we admitted the first patient, and after that we started admitting the patients. And when we started, we had even now also we have three kinds of services at Dilasa. One is OPD, those who can come and walk in and to collect the medicines or consult the doctors. So they come in as an OPD patient. Then those who need admissions, we admit them in our wards. Then those who cannot come to the hospital and those who need our attention, then home visits are done for such patients. And home visits earlier we used to do by our private vehicle. Later we had an ambulance donated by SPM Punda and jeep donated by relatives of late Pandari Desai. So it became easier to do the home visits. So during home visits, our team goes there as a doctor, medical social worker, nurse, and we see the patient at home. If required treatment is given there if required, and otherwise they were advised for the admission. So the patient was handled from all the as per the requirement.
एंट्री रूमा कडेन आसा ताका तर आमकां हांगा बाय मेळटा ताका विचारूया आमी हांगा ह्या हातून कितें सुविधा ते प्रोवायड करतात.
सो आमकां हांगासर कॅन्टिनांतल्यान जेवण येता म्हणल्यार पेशंटाक. सो पेशंटाक आमी डायरेक्ट जेवण बरोवपाक शकना. म्हणल्यार थोड्या पेशंटाक कितें आसता फीड करचें पडटा, लिक्वीड फॉर्मान घालचें पडटा. सो हांगासर ती सुविधा आसा की पेशंटाक आमी हांगासर मोव करून जावं मिक्सरान वांटून ती लिक्वीड फॉर्मान कन्वर्ट करता आनी मागीर पेशंटाक दिता.
पळोवया तर. येस. So these are some of the recreational activities which they take up. इट हेल्प्स पेशंट्स टू रिलॅक्स. या पेशंट हांगा येता पळय न्ही, तांकां ते चलत काय बिल्डिंगेंतल्यान ते देंवून येवपाक शकना.
बिल्डिंग ओल्ड बिल्डिंग जी आसा पळय न्हू ती आमकां सामकी प्रॉब्लेम जाता. तांकां लिफ्ट ना कांय ना. 4th फ्लोर 2nd फ्लोर जावं 5th फ्लोरार जो पेशंट आसा पळय न्हू तो आमकां देंवपाक खूब डिफिकल्ट जाता.
हय, कोणाचो हेल्प घेवन मागीर तुमी
तेंची
देंवयतात.
फॅमिलीचो कोणाचो हेल्प मातसो घेवन आमकां तो देंवचें पडटा.
हय, तुमी व्हिलचॅर बी घेवनूच वतात
व्हिलचॅर
बरोबर.
घेवन वयता, फोल्डेबल
स्ट्रेचरूय व्हरतात.
हय सगळें घेवन वयता.
ओके, डन. एकदम तुमी बरें काम करतात. ओके, थँक्यू.
थँक्यू. जशी तुमी एम्बुलन्स पळयली न्हू तशीच आमची बॉलेरो आसा जी आमी होम विजिटाक वयता. आमचो डॉक्टर्स आनी बाकीचे टिम्स नर्सीस बी घेवन ती बॉलेरो आमी घेवन विजिटाक वयता.
वाव.
I am Dr. Shweta Khandeparkar, Treasurer of IMA Ponda Charitable Trust. Our community project Dilasa, a palliative care center for the terminally ill, has been running successfully and serving the needy people of Goa since the last 4 years. This ambitious project cost us around rupees 5 crores to build and make it operational. A major part of this amount was donated by our mega philanthropist, Dr. Rajnikant and Dr. Mrs. Rajni Usgaonkar, and hence, by a resolution passed earlier in our trust meeting, their name has been given to this project. We have had many other major donors like Advocate Narendra Savaikar, who has donated significantly through the MP LAD scheme. Honorable PWD Minister Shri Dhawlikar has helped us from time to time in various ways. We have many friends in the Verna Industrial Estate like Iron Exchange, Indoco Remedies, Delta Chemicals, Colorcon Asia, D Nora, Center Pharma, Dr. Bandekar Foundation, and many more such industrial friends. Our own members of the IMA from Ponda branch as well as various other branches have contributed various amounts from time to time. This has helped us to tide over the financial difficulties at various times. The Goa Cancer Society helps us by taking care of the expenditure incurred on some patients every month. So also last year SBI Foundation has been a very major donor and we hope that they do continue in the future also. With the help of this SBI Foundation donation last year, we have been able to cater to more number of patients, inpatients as well as outpatients as well as home visits. It has also helped us in providing free food to the inpatients and also increasing the awareness and training program regarding palliation. We look forward to their continued support in the future. Also, the government has recently announced help through its social welfare scheme of around 2.5 lakh rupees per month. However, this has not yet started to be received. So because of the deficit that we face monthly, because of the number of patients which are increasing day by day, we run to the full capacity. We are still in need of more donation and hence this appeal. I appeal to each and everyone who is seeing this video, do come and visit us and see the service that we are providing and help in any which way you can. Your donation could be in the form of a lump sum or it could be small micro donations which are regularly given like monthly or bi-monthly or quarterly, or you can also tell your friends and family and other potential donors about the good work that is going on here at Dilasa, and be assured that whatever you donate is going to a very good cause and to the needy people who really need your support. Thank you.
आता हांगा आयला पळय न्ही तेन्नाच्यान आज पर्यंत तुमकां ट्रिटमेंट बी बरो मेळ्ळो
बरो मेळ्ळा बेस्ट
अशें.
सगळे स्टाफ प्लस डॉक्टर सगळे बरी करता
काळजी घेता आपली घरची कशी.
हां म्हणजे इन ऑल तुम्ही हॅपी आसात.
हय हॅपी आसा सामकी हॅपी आसा.
हय. नाव लेट अस एंटर द विसावा बिल्डिंग. And this is the reception, my friends. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. This is the temple here. Special room is dedicated to the Almighty God. And you can see their unity in diversity. This is the physiotherapy room. Those patients who need physiotherapy and all are given this facility here under the guidance of the physiotherapist. This is the one of the ward at Visava here, and you can see there is one occupant here. She is taking a nap after a nice lunch. Sir, we found that one of the inmates is sitting here after the lunch and others are taking a good nap. So we'll ask them, Madam, कशी आहात तुम्ही? कशा आहात तुम्ही?
ती बरी आहे.
वाव. इकडे सगळं म्हणजे व्यवस्थित तुम्हाला पुरवलं जातं ना?
सगळं छान आहे.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Vallabh Dhaimodkar from Ponda, a member of Indian Medical Association since 1983 and a founder member of IMA Ponda Charitable Trust in the year 2005. Every person who is born in this universe, the death is inevitable. There are certain situations wherein some people have instantaneous death, and there are other situations wherein people suffer for a longer duration. There are chronic illnesses, and when the person dies during the terminal stage of illness or during end of life care, there is a need of medical professionals, the doctors, the nurses, the caregivers. In order to have the sustainability of Dilasa, we need to have a good communicators, we need volunteers, we need people at large to get associated with this project. Friends, let me express my feelings of gratitude for all the support that you have been providing us from different sources, from different angles across the globe in bringing up this project of Dilasa. And I am sure you all will visit this project and be with us so that this message is spread across the globe regarding our unique project of Dilasa. Thank you.
There is a provision of dining hall here, and the inmates and also the visitors, means the relatives and all, can have food here, nicely sitting there resting. There is a recreational hall too, my friends, and here there is a provision of so many seats here whereby the inmates can sit and enjoy a movie also here on this LCD. Friends, you can have a look at the nice surrounding ambience here, and the patients take a stroll. They come out in the morning hours here and they take a stroll here in this open atmosphere here. Yeah. In the basement of this building, Visava here, the food is prepared, and this is the kitchen. You can see here. I'll show you the kitchen. So at Dilasa also, the food is carried away from here and they are served. So this is the kitchen, my friends. now Dr. Ajay Pednekar has come in here. Hi, doctor.
हॅलो.
Yeah, डॉक्टर घाई गायचे तुम्ही.
आतांच आमचे एक पेशंट मातशे मोक्षाक प्राप्त जाला, सो त्या खातीर हांव तांकां पळोवपा खातीर हांगा आयलो.
ओ गॉड. चला 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 चला. दोतोर आम्ही आयिल्ले तेन्ना ती बरी म्हणजे टेकून बशिल्ली आनी तिच्या बरोबर रिलेटिव्स कोण आयिल्ले तेय बी आमकां मेळ्ळे तिचे. दोतोर कशें कितें म्हणजे अशें
आमचे कडेन हांगा जे चडशे पेशंट येतात न्ही, ते आपले जिवनाचे शेवटचे जे तांचे कितें रोग आसता न्ही, तशेच चडशे पेशंट आमचे कडेन हांगा येतात. सो खंयच्याय क्षणाक ते हें जग सोडून वचपाक शकता. आनी आमचें जें सेंटर आसा पळय न्ही, ताका आमी पॅलिएटिव्ह केअर सेंटर म्हणटात. जंय आमी तेंचे जे उरलेले दीस आसा ते सुसह्य करपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. आमी डेफिनेटीव ट्रिटमेंट अशें कांय करना. तर तांकां जें मरण येतलें ते सहजगत्या येवचें, कांय त्रास जावचो न्ही, आनी ह्या जगांतल्यान तेंची डिग्निफायड सुटका जावची, ह्या खातीर हें सेंटर हांगा कार्यरत आसा.
जय श्रीराम.
आतांच ह्यो आमकां सोडून गेल्ले आसा, तांचो जो आत्मा आसा तांकां सद्गती लाभो अशी आमी देवा कडेन प्रार्थना करता.
येस डॉक्टर.